Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delicious dish, Braised Eggplant Delight. Let's jump right in. First, wash the eggplant and dice it into large pieces. Sprinkle a pinch of salt, mix well, and let it marinate for 10 minutes. While that's soaking up flavors, finely chop the white and green parts of the spring onions and mince the garlic. In a bowl, combine minced garlic, diced red chili, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and half a bowl of water to create a flavorful sauce. Pat dry the marinated eggplant and give it a light coating of cornstarch. Heat oil in a pan and saute the white parts of the spring onions until fragrant. Add the eggplant and stir fry until it's nice and soft. Pour in our prepared sauce, coating the eggplant thoroughly. To finish, let the sauce simmer and thicken. Transfer everything to a serving bowl and sprinkle with chopped green onions for that extra kick. Now, savor the tender, savory goodness of the eggplant dish with its rich sauce. It's a perfect companion to a bowl of steamed rice. Give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.